Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to bake acorn squash. First, select a firm, dark green squash. Wash it thoroughly under running water. Carefully cut the squash in half lengthwise, then scoop out all the seeds and stringy pulp from the center. This initial preparation ensures your squash is ready for delicious seasoning and baking. Now let's add some flavor. Brush the cut sides of your squash with olive oil or melted butter. Sprinkle with salt, black pepper, and a touch of cinnamon for a sweet profile. For a savory option, consider herbs like rosemary or thyme. You can also add a tablespoon of brown sugar or maple syrup to the center. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the seasoned squash halves cut side up on a baking sheet. Add a small amount of water to the baking sheet to help steam the squash and keep it moist. Bake for 45 to 60 minutes, or until the flesh is tender when pierced with a fork. Your delicious baked acorn squash is ready. Serve it warm directly from the oven. You can fill the center with a pat of butter and a pinch of salt for simple enjoyment. For extra texture and flavor, top with toasted nuts or dried cranberries. This versatile dish makes a wonderful side or a light, satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.